What's up, everybody? My name's Caleb.
I'm Nick.
And welcome to Tool Time Tuesday. All right, guys, so in this video, we're gonna be tackling the biggest elephant in the room, which is the rust situation on the inside of the Jeep. It is not great, but I think we can make it better. We're gonna be installing floor pans. The funny thing is that the driver's side here with the massive hole already has been patched once before. So there's already a floor pan in there. So this Jeep did come with floor pans, but which is great. We're gonna use them. We're gonna start to install them, but the rest of this tub is really not that great. So we're just gonna take an overall look at what this is, the good, the bad, the ugly, probably mostly ugly, but we're gonna get the seats out. We're gonna get everything out so we can get a solid look on what's fixable, what's not fixable, what's worth it, what's not, and you guys are coming with us. So let's get into it. All right. That's the pedal? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Comes with everything you need. All right, let's free up some space here. What are these for? Is this for the hardtop? Put that down. Bonus pieces.
Hello.
Oh, a hoodie.
Caleb wants lettuce on his burger.
Oh, that would be great.
Love that.
Thank you so much.
Tomato?
No, thank you. Yucky.
Ew, yucky. Okay, yep.
You're the best.
Look at that, we got a golfing tee.
All right, so we got whatever that is. Looks like it goes with this. A golfing tee. What is that? Oh, an extra door? Look, with the plastic still on it, dude. Sheesh. That's great.
I don't know what it belongs to.
Some sort of a Jeep. That's a Jeep style door. I don't know what it goes to. Maybe it goes to one of the doors. So, got a golfing tee. Hit some bangers. And, all right, let's assess how bad this is. Oh my. Wow, that is crusty. That is crusty rusty. Oh, I think this was supposed to be here at one point, maybe.
Yeah.
Possibly, but look at that. So there's actually not much left here. Look at that. See if we can jam that through there. This is the official Jeep hardness test. What's good and what's not.
Well, some good.
The roll bar itself, garbage.
No. Roll bar is not garbage at all. Unfortunately, most of it is welded to this piece.
Yeah.
Which is very strong.
Yeah.
And that's still attached to a
All
lot
that.
of that. So, you know, not terrible, but
Yeah.
I'm sure in the event of a serious collision, the floor pan would go up and the roll bar would go down.
Keep hitting here. Looks like you made a hole there. Little
Yeah.
goopy there.
All soft. I want to make sure I don't hit anything under. Yeah.
Oh, I'm guessing that's, oh my gosh.
Yep.
All right. Hey, you know what?
Cool. I'd say this is pretty good. Cool.
Not bad.
Not bad at all, actually.
To the untrained eye, this looks absolutely horrendous. And you'd be partially right, but you got to look at the overall circumstances and what you're getting into when you get into an old Jeep for $1,500. So this is to be expected. So we're just kind of testing for usable metal that we can weld to, make changes to, and strengthen. And there seems to be quite a bit of good stuff left, even though there's a lot of bad stuff. And we'll be able to make it work. We'll definitely be able to make it work. Ooh, okay. This is actually, wow, okay. Oh my. Hello. Good and bad. I mean, the majority of this side is actually, I don't even think we need to do a floor pan over here. Maybe a little bit right here. That's the softest spot, but I think overall this is actually pretty good. Even, that's good. I'm hitting that with full force. That's not too bad. Okay, all right, all right. Definitely better than looking at that side. Sheesh. I was about to look for these guys to remove this, but Nick said I don't have to. So,
I have to.
Oh, do you have to? Wait.
Come on back here.
All right, I want to see. I want to see. We about to learn. Sheesh.
Little handle.
Okay. I like the little handle already.
Push down on it.
Yeah.
Hold forward.
Oh my goodness.
The whole thing comes out.
Just out.
Out.
Hold on. This has to come.
You just gotta take the seatbelt out. Yeah, open it back up a little bit.
Okay, got mine. This is blowing my mind. Or does it have to? It's got to go to the right.
Yeah, it just slides.
So it shifts to the right. That's so cool.
Doesn't it?
No, right. Yo, we just woke up a big spider. It has to go right.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, you just
I'm
push it
looking
right.
at the wrong side.
There you go. A little bit more on the left side. Hey,
There you go.
look at that.
And your seat's out.
Can't believe it. Wow.
Yep.
It's not even that heavy.
Nope. 31 years, maybe in New England. This thing's amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing. It's.
All right.
It's in really good shape.
Yeah. So just to get all this kind of a little bit more out of the way here. There, yeah, dude, there's like no rust back here. There's like a little surface rust right here. But overall, this is great. We should use this to fix something.
Sure.
Yeah. This is going onto the Jeep somewhere. We'll save that for later.
Yeah.
But did you see over here? Like, I tried to stab all that. The only weak spot is like right here caved a little bit, but that's it.
Oh yeah, no, this is good.
Yeah.
This thing's plenty solid. I don't know what the coating is like underneath, but
Yeah.
whoever coated it did a good job, and I don't want to mess with it.
Yeah. So this is definitely weak. That's weak. This just blew right through, but I mean, all things considered, I think we can get creative with it. Dude, this is pretty cool. I'm sure people watching who aren't used to Jeeps are like, huh? This is awesome. Overall, looking at this Jeep, assessing the rust situation on the inside of the tub, really, really, really pleased with what we're seeing. There is rust to be addressed. We all knew that. It's the elephant in the room, like I said, but far less worse, if that's the right way to say that, than I ever thought. So this is great. If this thing grew up in New England, it's really impressive. 31 years old. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Cannot wait to get rid of this because it's going to make this look 100 million times better. All right, guys, what's up? I am here in the editing room. I'm going to be breaking this video into two parts because it's way too long. I don't want to bore you guys. But like, comment, and subscribe. In the next video, I'm gonna be jumping right into replacing the floor pan, and we got that done. It came out really good, so you're gonna wanna see it. Don't miss it. But if you guys could help support the channel, just go ahead and leave a like. If you have any questions, drop it down below. And other than that, we'll see you on the next video next Tuesday. And you're not gonna wanna miss it. It's really cool, got a lot of cinematic shots. This was all GoPro, but the next one will have some really cool montages, sparks flying, all that good stuff. So stick around, you're gonna wanna see it. We'll see you on the next one.